Alright, it is time for some small mods. Look at what Santa brought us. Let's get the car out. To give you an idea of what we're doing today. Very simple, so they say. Hardest thing might be getting the package open. Caps. Here we have brake fluid, washer fluid, coolant, and oil. I went with red, obviously, the white car, black, some red accents. This is pretty simple. Just pops over, and then it's a 2mm Allen wrench, and this just spins on, tightens down. One down. All right, so last two. Voila, clicked in. That's the angle I wanted it there, so that's good to go. Ah, these came out really nice. So I've either got that or that option. I think it's gonna be this one. Clips in. Boom. So there you have it. Got those two in the back. Those look pretty good. And those two in the front. Good to go.